Afternoon and welcome back. I am Harry. Today we're going to be cleaning Larry. So it's filthy because there's no point me cleaning it through the week, so I'm driving it an hour every day there and back from work, and with it having rained this week, it's absolutely grafted. So we're gonna pop to Halfords, grab some kit, or grab some more cleaning products, and make our way and clean the car. And this is what I mean when I say it's grafted. He's got holes all over him. What marks all up the front? He is needing a bit of love. Roof's grafted, rear's grafted. There's a lot. Let's and the inside could do with a clean as well, to be fair. Desperate needs, desperate times. Right, let's head to Halfords. I'll see you there. Right, we're here at Halfords. Let's get inside and see what they've got. I could do with some wheel cleaner and stuff like that. Probably some interior cleaner as well. That'd help. Found a bit of this. And they're the best. Looking at the other stuff now. See what we can get. Got the goods. What is that? Oh, it's a Ferrari FF. That sounded really nice. See if I can hang about. Catch it leaving for you. That's so nice. But I just picked up alloy wheel cleaner, or all wheel cleaner from Maguire's, and then the interior detailer as well, so I can give my interior a bit of a clean. Just got a crappy wheel brush for now while I'm on the stock alloys, because these are obviously just on it for now because that's what came with the car. But let's see if I can get this Ferrari. If not, I'll see you at the cleaning station in a bit. I don't know how well you can see it. It's over there. Let's see if we can get closer. Just there. Here we are at the cleaning bay. It's just off the A63. It's fairly simple to use. It's like £2 for 4 minutes, but obviously if you bring your own products then you can use them as well. So I'm going to spray the Maguire stuff now. First time using anything like this. Probably not the best example of it, to be fair. And obviously do this on all four wheels. Front ones are worse than this, so I'll show them. But do that on all fours. These ones are worse. And then leave it to sit and then wash it off. I'll give them a brush in a bit. And go from there. This is the brush that I just bought. Nothing crazy, it's just a cheap one for now until I get my nice wheels. Then I'll get a softer brush because it's soft, but it's like it'll still scratch your alloys. But because these are fixed anyway, I'm not too bothered about them, and I'll just get new ones. But you can see that it's working, especially there. So give them a scrub and go from there. these are all the different options that you've got. We're going to go for fairly length. So all you've got to do is grab that, wait for it to firm. There we go. It says, oh, it's coming. And then, there we go. A bit to be fair today. Right, that's the outside done. It's not the best clean in the world. It's just to make it look a bit better than what it did. Because it just had black watermarks all over it. I don't know what they were from, but just pull out of the little unit thing. Or wash bays, whatever you want to call them. Stop people from, oh well, stop me from stopping people cleaning their cars. It's just me here at the minute, which is fun. So yeah, the outsides are done. That Maguire's stuff is amazing. Look how clean my wheels are now. I've never seen them this clean. It's obviously the lacquer's peeling on it, and then they're a bit scuffed. But look how clean they are. If they weren't so scuffed or anything like that, I've done a bit of a bad job on that one there. But on that one there, I'll get a cloth and I'll just tidy them up. But not bad, to be fair. Not bad at all. I think I'll just get the drying towel out, use the drying towel, dry it off, go home, do the rest there. I know it was a bit of a shorter one, but It was nice seeing a Ferrari like that. That guy was really nice, to be fair. Let me get some rollers. Didn't even know I was going to do it, to be fair. So really nice guy. Thanks to him for that. Made the video a bit more interesting for you guys. But yeah, it was just a simple one today, just a quick clean of Larry. The next one will be obviously the Golf. We are meant to be cleaning the dash, and I think we may have found the hole. So tune into the next episode to see that, and well, obviously do the usual, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.